Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chandana and from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss about introduction to the HTML. Firstly, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, where it markup a language for creating a web pages and describe the structure of the web page. It also consists of elements such as which tells the browser how to display the content. Next, introduction to the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is used to creating a web pages and other information that can be displayed in the web browser. It provides a standardized way to describe the structure and content of a web page using a set of tags and attributes that define how text, images, links and other elements should be displayed on the page. HTML documents also consist a series of elements, each of which enclosed in the angled brackets, and it contains one or more attributes that provide additional information about the element. For example, open bracket, open angle bracket P, closed angle bracket tag is used to define a paragraph of a text and can include attributes such as align to specify the alignment of the paragraph. In addition, basic text and formatting tags. HTML provides a wide range of other elements for displaying a multimedia content, creating a forms for user input and structuring a complex documents. HTML documents can also include scripts written in JavaScript, which can be interactive features and dynamic behavior to the web page. Next, coming to the HTML tags. This command is inserted in the document that specify how the documents or a portion of the document should be formatted. HTML tags begin with an open angle bracket and ends with a closed angle bracket. These are HTML tags are two types. First one, paired tags and singular tags. Paired tags. Paired tags means the tags which is said to be a paired tag if the text is placed between a tag and its companion tag. In paired tags, the first tag is referred to as a opening tag and the second tag is referred to as a closing tag. Example, open closed angle bracket open angle bracket I, closed angle bracket. This text is in italics. Singular tags. A standalone tag does not have a companion tag means the singular tag. Here, next coming to some of the most commonly used HTML tags. HTML tags. HTML. This tag defines the start and end of an HTML document. Head. This tag contains information about the document such as the title, author and links to the external resources. This tag is used to specify the title of the document. Body. This tag contains the main content of the document including text, messages and other elements. H1 to H6. These tags are used to create headings of different sizes and etc. These are just few examples of many HTML tags. Next, coming to the HTML attributes. A language construct that programmers use to add additional information that is metadata to the code elements. Example, assemblies, modules, members, types, etc. to the extend their functionality. Attributes are written immediately following the tag. Multiple attributes can be associated. Commonly used HTML attributes are class, ID, href, src, alt, title, value. Class means attribute used to specify one or more CSS class for an HTML element. Classes are used to group elements together and apply styling to them. ID attribute is used to specify a unique identifier for an HTML element. IDs are used to reference elements from JavaScript or CSS. href. This attribute is used with a closed angle bracket A and closed angle bracket A tag to specify URL of a linked page or resources. src. This attribute is used to with the image tag to specify the source URL of the image. Alter. This attribute is used with the image tag to provide an alternative text description for the image, which can be displayed if the image fails to load. Title. This attribute is used to provide additional information about an element, which is typically displayed as a tooltip over an element. Value. This attribute is used with the forms elements to specify the default or selected value of the field. These are the just few examples of many HTML attributes that can be used to add a functionality and additional information to HTML elements. Understanding to use these attributes is essential for creating effective and interactive web pages. Next, coming to the structure of HTML document. It contains a HTML head, title, close head, body, close body, and HTML. Where HTML means page contains a in this HTML page is written in HTML. This page is in the HTML. This page is written in HTML. Head tag contains information about the web page, where title tag contains the title of the web page. Body tag contains the content of the body, and the footer address tag contains the footer of the web page. And the basic structure of all HTML documents is simple and so should include the following minimum elements or tags. HTML, the main container for the HTML pages. This element contains all the other elements of the HTML document and is a root element. Head. This element contains metadata about the HTML document, including the title, author, and description. This element specifies the title of the HTML document, which appears in the browser's title bar. Body. This elements contains all the visible content of HTML document, including text, images, videos, and other elements.